Good morning. It is July 22nd, 2024, which means it is the official book release date for White Women Get Ready, How Healing Post-Traumatic Mistress Syndrome Leads to Anti-Racist Change. So after 8 years of hours and hours and hours of writing, after many days of hard work, after getting feedback from early readers, from my family members, from fellow community organizers who offered me questions, challenges, and critiques and helped me make the book better, after being rejected by several agents and publishers, and then finding out about a local organization, Otterpine, that supports indie authors in self-publishing, after working with an editor and raising the money to fund the process and the work with Otterpine through GoFundMe, after the contributions of over 245 folks to make this happen, I am so excited to present this print resource to you all. So the book is now available on my website. You can also buy it locally here in Asheville at Malaprops, and you can buy it on Amazon if you're at other parts of the country. And I look forward to bringing it to local independent bookstores all over. So if you are not in the Asheville area and you have a small bookstore near you and you want to invite me to come and do an event, I would love to be there and dialogue and work with you in person and visit your community. So I'm excited to share this resource. I'm excited for the ways that it will support white women to further ground in our anti-racist practice and to deepen our connections to the ongoing and very important movements, social justice movements that are happening right now in our world and that are so needed. So thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to connecting more.